Ciao amici miei.
Hello my friends, how are you? I hope you are fine. We are here with Rita and we are waiting for friends for a wonderful dinner, very good friends. I want to share with you a glass of Casanova, is the wine that we drink tonight. A beautiful Chianti Classico 2017, 100% Sangiovese. You remember for sure. It's a beautiful wine. You can see the amazing color of this wine, and absolutely the perfumes are really something unique. It's a wine to share absolutely with very special people, with a very special dinner that Rita has cooked tonight, but absolutely to pairing with any kind of food. I don't want to stress you more. I want to wish you a wonderful evening and all the best. I hope to see you soon. Bye.
Bye bye.